Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the volume indicator on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader software, then go to this icon. You will see that it's indicators. Click on it. Then here on available, search for volume up and down. So this one, volume up, down. Click on it 2 times, and as you can see here, we have some option. You can change them if you want, and from here you can change the color. So I don't like this green color, so I will change it to this one. And you can also change the width of each bar. Okay, so let's say 3, and here in down volume I will keep it on the red, and I will change just the width to 3. Then click on apply. And as you can see here, this is the volume. After that, just click on OK. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.